Did you know that a constantly moving decoy can actually scare birds away instead of attracting them? Real birds do not move like a machine, and circling birds can tell the difference. All you need is a programmable timer to fix it. One button gives you natural, realistic motion that brings the birds in. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's see what comes in the package. In the package you will get a decoy timer, a button, quick connectors, and a remote. Timer hookup is pretty simple. I already connected the decoy timer to the decoy. If you look at the manual, you'll find that the power from the battery goes to the red wire, the black wire is the battery negative, and yellow wire is the motor. First, let's reset the timer to the default settings. Every configuration is done with this button. Push the button, push and hold the button, turn the power on. Decoy activates once, activates the second time, and then it will cycle on and off. I can release the button and turn the power off. Now decoy timer is reset to the default settings. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to link the remote to the timer. First of all, we will put the decoy into the programming mode, push the button, turn the power on, and wait for second activation. Release the button. Now press button A, and it linked now to the timer. Button A would turn on and off the decoy. I would like to configure button B to be only on. I'll push it twice. So I pushed the first time and I pushing the second time. So now B would be only on. I would like to make D off only. For that I need to push it 3 times. Second time, then third time. Okay, now I can turn the decoy off and on to test it. So button A would activate it and again deactivate it. Button B will activate it. If I push button B, nothing happens, and button D would deactivate it. Now let's create a custom sequence. Push the button, turn the decoy on, and release the button. Now the timer is going to remember the sequence, how we're pushing the button. So push the button the way you want the decoy to operate. So let's create some short bursts, and then longer pauses, and then a couple short bursts, and then activation for a longer time. And turn the power off. Let's turn it back on and test it. So here's our short burst and here's our longer wait times. So this is how you program the sequence. In the timer version 2 we can create 2 sequences. We'll have to program sequence 1 and sequence 2 in the same session. So let's start with sequence 1. Push the button, turn the power on and release the button. So let's program first sequence with short bursts. Then hold the button. Now we can pick the button for the sequence 2, button B. We can assign other buttons as well, or other remotes. So now we push the button B with longer durations and turn the power off. Let's test this. So button A, short bursts, and button B would be the long delays, a longer cycle. And button A, again, it's the short burst. This is how you create 2 different sequences. All the information about this timer, how to program it and connect it, could be found in the description of this video. Thank you.